Okay, Ian, you want to start?
Yeah, I'll start. Hiya, Hamid. Hope you're keeping safe and everything's well at your end.
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah,
Uh,
everything's going well. It's quite hard, but like we are trying to cope up with the situation.
okay. Can I ask you that you've been undertaking this research? Can I ask you what were the key findings from your research?
Yeah, the key findings are basically three set of techniques for detecting driver drowsiness, which are the physiological measures and behavior measures and vehicle-based measures. So those are the three ways or three main ways that scientists and car manufacturers are using for detecting driver drowsiness.
Okay. Would you say that one more prevalent than the other in terms of causing accidents?
Yeah, based on the statistics that some agencies, or let's say some commissions and transport ministers release, that driver drowsiness may contribute to around 15 to 20% of car accidents, of fatal car accidents. So the bar graph here shows the percentage in three countries. So in USA it's around 10%, and in Australia it goes up to 20%.
Okay, did your research cover any differences into why it was different from one country to the other?
I just went through the statistics for the fatal accidents, not the non-fatal one, because some statistics are not complete, and some statistics are just for 2017 and 2018, and some countries miss the 2018 ones.
Ian, can I ask a question now?
Yeah, sure. Carry on.
Okay. Ahmed, I'm really interested in your methodology, the number of papers you went through. That's quite a lot.
Yeah, basically I found a lot of papers and a lot of journal and article papers, but I focused only on journal articles.
Right.
So I excluded a lot of journal articles just by the title. Like I just read the title, it's either repeated or out of my focus, so I just exclude a lot of articles, and then I went through basically 34 plus 51, so that's around 85. I went through 85 articles, and I have 50 of them downloaded on my PC. Okay.
Right. So from these, I'm going to assume, and you tell me if I'm wrong, that you had three themes: the visual-based measure, the physiological measure, and the vehicle-based measure. Yeah.
Yes. Those are my three main themes.
Okay. And these were the most important things which came out. The green were the advantages, and the red was the disadvantages. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's really good. So just tell me, how did you draw to your conclusion?
So going to the conclusion, I go through the conclusion of all the journal articles.
Yeah.
And I try to find some similarities between different authors. So many authors agree that the visual-based measures are the one that will be going to be used for the next 10 years because it's non-intrusive and it's very accurate. Some authors suggest that hybrid measures are the ones that will be used, and they are getting more attention because we can't just depend on one set of technique. Because, for example, some authors mentioned, but those are old ones, like in 2015, they mentioned that visual-based measures will cause a lot of issues for the background. So in night or in dark, camera will not detect the eyes and face of the driver, so it will not make the correct assumption if the driver is drowsy or not.
Okay.
But recent papers, like in 2019 and 2018, they mentioned that they are going to use IR camera, which can detect the face and eyes of the driver in both conditions, day and night.
Okay, can I just finally ask, where did you find your papers or journal articles from? What database did you use?
I used 3 databases, which are Scopus, Web of Science, and Science Direct.
Brilliant. Thank you. Ian, any more questions from you?
No, none from me.
Okay. Ahmed, thank you very much. Well done. Good poster. Everything's referenced.
Thank you so much.
Just need to produce a good report now, yeah?
Yes, sure. Thank you so much for this session.
You're welcome. Okay, bye then.
Bye.
But